So in this Zillow tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to see or how to view neighborhood amenities here on Zillow. So the first thing you have to do is obviously open up the Zillow application. Once you're here, I want you to go to the bottom left to where the select map views are, or the map types are. So for me, it's this icon in the bottom left with the three squares stacking on top of each other. Go ahead and press on that. Now, don't bother touching map type if you want. You can maybe change it to satellite or 3D view if you wish as well. But what you want to do right here, right below that, where it says neighborhood amenities, for me it is turned off. If you go ahead and turn that on by pressing the blue check mark right here, it'll then show you, different banks, bars and clubs, coffee shops, gas, grocers, gyms, laundry, healthcare. You can keep scrolling, a whole bunch of different amenities, restaurants, shops, etc. And if you want to turn that back off, do the exact same thing. Just highlight it, turn it off, and it won't show it anymore. So this could be helpful if you're looking for a new home and you want to see the nearby amenities. So then go ahead and check this box and then select whatever ones you want. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can see neighborhood amenities here on Zillow. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.